You ever have the feeling of deja vu? Welcome to part 2 of our Strange Sounds feature.
Ever have a feeling of deja vu?
This time, we have a strange sound in the Cariboo.
Ever have a feeling of deja vu? Oh no, it's happening again!
We were talking about the refraction of sound and sound waves bending and concentrating to a point and making very loud noises in the last video, which you can see here.
Ever have a feeling of deja vu?
Refraction of sound waves, as described in this video.
Application of refraction of sound waves in daily life. During nighttime, the ground cools quickly. Sound waves bends away from the normal and back towards the ground. Hence, the music is much louder at night.
What?
When Daniel Garcia at 108 Mile Ranch saw our last video, he sent me one of his own that basically shows the exact same thing that we've been hearing. Strange sounds in the sky from July 10th, 2016, 108 Mile House, right here. I also did boost the audio, so it wasn't this loud, but I wanted you to be able to hear it all the same. Come. Come. Ever have the feeling of deja vu? And then another group member reported this. So saith Josie Clark. When I lived on the coast, I heard a strange sound and haven't found out what it was. I lived on a dairy farm. It was an overcast day. I heard what sounded like a lot of jet planes coming from the sky. It went on for at least 10 minutes. I heard it from inside the house, so went outside and stood watching the sky. It wasn't jet engines for that long, and I'd never heard it before or afterwards. It was really weird. Ever had the feeling of deja vu? So thanks, Dan Garcia, for that. That was a pretty cool video. Yeah, I'm sure it was some noise coming from the highway, not so far away. But yeah, and being a July night, it's a little bit strange. But hey, that's, I said it's more common in winter. Didn't say it only happens in winter. So send all your cool things, people. We just love trying to solve these riddles and figure out what's going on in your neighborhood. Always your videos, your pics, keep posting them on the group, because that's the content driver that's going to, we're going to take that stuff to the world and have a lot of fun with it in the way. There's one more thing to talk about, and that's the absolute donor of the week. I can't thank this guy enough. One of the big things that's on my list is the Zoom Q8 camera. Well, I wanted the Canon professional camera, but it's $3,000 or $2,000 at the cheapest you're going to find one that's like that. There's a lot of Canon cameras that are pretty good, but I want one that can really give me high quality professional audio and video, so that I'm not just looking like garbage all the time. So Victor Kong actually just ponied up $800.
What?
Group member Victor Kong down in Horsefly, and I was emotional for like a good 40 minutes after that. So thank you so much. And the camera, I'm going to shop for it tomorrow. I can't wait. And keep donating, because I need to get an audio interface as well, friends. Lighting issues, definitely more weather gear. Well, lastly, extreme cold weather coming to BC. Everyone knows about it. We've talked about it lots. There'll be more posts on the group. So stay tuned and take lots of pictures. See you soon. Oh no, it's happening again.